Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Fur Doktor by Aqualine. As you might have known if you're a fan of the channel, I have a cat. He's actually there. Maybe he will show up, maybe he won't. And cats have a lot of hair and, well, that's not a good thing. Let's be honest, that's gonna make a mess. So, what you got is the Fur Doktor. The Fur Doktor is a product to remove the hair from all of your, your couch, your chair, stuff like that. So, as you can see from the back, you got like this little thingy. I don't know how, it's rugged little cloth. And also on this side, and you got that little sweepy sweep. So, what does this do? You put it on a surface, and you run it, and you run it back. And when you actually make the click, it puts the fur, which you just swiped up, in this little container. And as you can see, there's actually some hair. Ooh, disgusting. Ew. And, well, it cleans up. And I'm going to tell you, it really works. You have to do this, well, a couple of times a week, because there's a lot of fur in those cats. Let me tell you. And it's, well, this is like a 5-star product. It works really well. It doesn't take too much time. It's almost like a miracle how good it works. So, if you have a cat, buy the Fur Doktor, because it's the only doctor you'll need, unless you're actually ill or something like that. 5 stars. Thanks for watching, and I will make a shot of Fritz, because, well, you all came for Fritz, the cat. Hey Fritz, it's the Fur Doktor. 5 stars. Random review. Please subscribe. Fritz approves.